So welcome to the project construction of central control unit. So using irrigation process based on GSM backup. So here this is a central unit. Here to this particular central unit you can see this is a RF transmitter and it's an RFID reader. For demo purpose we are showing 3 tags 1, 2, 3. First tag is for the motor 1 section, second tag is for the motor 2 section, and the third tag is like invalid tag to justify whether motor is there or not. And these are the 2 control buttons to on a motor and to off a motor. So here this is your motor 1 section, motor 2 section, and to this motor 2 section we have RF receiver and a motor which is interfaced to the relay switch. So whenever you give a tag there, so using the control buttons from the transmitter section, when you particularly press an on button, this particular motor gets on. So coming to this section, this is motor 1 section. So to this motor section, it is an automatic control system based on GSM technology, and here we have a soil moisture sensor which is included to this system. There are 2 like probes. This is for the low level indicator probe and this is for the high level indicator probe. So whenever this low level indicator probe gives an input to the controller, so the motor automatically gets switched on by sending the SMS alert to the person about the low indication. And whenever this high probes gives an input like the motor or water has been filled to the tank, then automatically the motor will get turned off, indicating through SMS alert. The motor is operated through your relay switch. Just we'll see the output. So now first we check with the motor 1, motor 2. So when I show the particular tag here, so you can see so when the particular tag is shown, the tag number is displayed, and using the control buttons, when I press on button, you get the buzzer alert at the transmitter section, and the receiver, the motor gets switched on. Again, if you want to off the motor, again show the tag of that particular motor. It gets switched off. Coming to motor 2, motor 1 section. So here in this GSM modem, initially you need to, so once the GSM modem is initialized, you need to send a please send SMS as about in small characters. So from the second mobile, when you send about message, so you can see from which number you have been messaged. Okay, you can get the number, and once you have received this particular message, the system itself sends a feedback message again to give the entire procedure for the format. So you can see the message. Welcome to the project Central Control Unit. Okay, you get the information like alert, dry soil, please switch on the motor. So here you will be getting in this sign. So here as I show the particular tag to the RFID reader at the central unit, so from the system you can make the motor on. So I have shown the particular tag number. Now as I press, the motor gets switched on. So once a motor has been switched on, there are 2 sensors. Like this is for the low level indication. So here you get a feedback as the motor has been switched on through SMS. So now, so once if the soil has received the water, so from the soil moisture sensor it gives input to the controller, automatically the motor gets switched off, and parallelly you get the SMS alert like the motor got has got switched off. And when low. Thank you.